Hey, hi, hello everyone. If you're new here, my name is Linnea, and this is a space where we are trying to become semi-self-sufficient, where we garden, we do sourdough, we make fun recipes, and we do this while living in the suburbs. So, if that is something you are interested in, consider subscribing. If not, that's okay. Welcome. And if you're not new here, welcome back. Missed you. I am very excited for today's recipe. This recipe is it's basically my mom's recipe. She follows, she uses the ingredients based on a recipe I'll have linked in the description, but she doesn't actually follow the directions. So I'm gonna follow my mom's directions as best as I can remember them. Today we are making a cream of mushroom soup using chicken of the woods. If you don't know what chicken of the woods is, it's a mushroom. My dad and I think the guys that he works with usually find them, and my dad gave me some. So I am going to be making chicken of the woods cream of mushroom soup today. I've not actually tried it. Everyone says it's really good. The guys my dad works with, my mom even says it's good, so we're gonna make it. The one thing I will say is never eat a mushroom that you get from outside that you don't know what it is. That's the one thing, the one piece of advice that I will give. My dad 100% knows this is a chicken of the woods, so that is what we'll be using today, but the recipe does say you can use any kind of mushroom. It also says, I think, calls for like 5 cups of mushrooms. This is a quart-sized bag. My mom says it's plenty. So this is what we will be using. The first thing I'm going to do is chop up half an onion and saute that with 3 tablespoons of butter. And then once the onion is a little bit cooked, I'm going to throw in this bag of mushrooms. So let's go. Alright, now that these onions have been sauteing for a couple minutes, I'm going to go ahead and add this entire bag of chicken of the woods. Again, you can use whatever mushroom you want. Also, again, my mom does not follow the directions that are in the recipe. I'm just following my mom's directions. Alright, now to this I'm going to add about 1/8 of a teaspoon of dried thyme. And then I'm also just going to add pepper. Okay, now I'm gonna add 2 cups of either chicken broth, but I'm gonna do water because I'm using better than bouillon. So it's either chicken broth or better than bouillon, but I'm doing 2 cups. Okay, now I'm gonna add a cup of half and half. And then I also have some heavy cream that needs to be used, so I'm gonna add a little bit of that. Okay, and the last thing I'm gonna do is add, I took my better than bouillon container was empty, so I added 3 tablespoons of flour, and then I added some water to that and shook it up. If you don't have an empty container like this, just use a mason jar or a cup and add 3 tablespoons of flour, mix it up with some water, and then pour it in. And I'm gonna let this simmer for 5-ish minutes, and then it's gonna be done. Okay, so disclosure, Jonathan hates mushrooms, so I will not be having him try it. But you can't really see it, but I'm gonna give it a whirl. I did try it. It does taste really good. If you're not familiar with chicken of the woods, the texture really is like chicken. So it kind of tastes like a chicken noodle soup with no noodles, if that makes sense. Anyway, I did make some same day sourdough to go with it, so that's what I've got going on. But the soup itself is fantastic, 10 out of 10. Highly recommend it. Like I said, you can use any kind of mushroom, and you can either follow the way my mom does it, which is the way I showed you, or you can follow the directions. They're pretty drastically different. But anyway, with that being said, I'm going to end the video here, and I'll see you all in the next video. Bye!